Getting that AC installed. Yep. So there's gonna be some cutouts in here, getting that AC installed, man. And then this house is a wrap. We'll come and clean it. And we out of here. Finish up the landscaping. It's a done deal. Done deal. Very excited about this project. Put the backsplashes up over here. Put the rest of the knobs up. Touch up painting, HVAC, landscape. We out of here. Oh yeah, and my guy's coming to put the granite countertop. And we'll get all that stuff out of here. But yeah, done deal. Great project, in and out real quick. We're excited, wired. Very excited. Very excited. So, yeah, this stuff costs. I want to thank KWIK Services, KWIK Heating and Air Services, for getting this done for us with the HVAC. And that's what it is. Moneywithrealestate.com.